Today is day 9 of 90-day challenge of learning with Blue Ocean Compliance. Since 8 days, we are discussing about the challenges faced by the manufacturing companies in compliance and quality, and we are discussing the observations which cause the warning letters and 483s to the manufacturing company. Even if you are working in the quality or compliance, quality assurance, quality control, or any of the departments, so you must know that which are the non-compliances which causing any manufacturing company or your department or any other department the warning letter or 483s, so that you can avoid getting those observations. So in this 90 days challenge, we are discussing the case studies of manufacturing companies where because of the observations those manufacturing companies got warning letter or 483s. So today is day 9 of that 90 days challenge where we are discussing these observations, and by discussing these observations you can remind yourself or you can check that whatever observations we are discussing every day, whether the compliance is there on your side or not. You will say that I'm not directly responsible for the compliance, or I'm not working in that particular department of quality or compliance or any other department you are working, but make sure that you must be aware about the observations, because every observations is linked interdepartmentally. And if you will increase your awareness, so you can increase the possibility of your growth, right? Because without the knowledge of compliance you cannot survive in the manufacturing company, because audit, regulatory inspections, customer audits, clients audit are the milestones which you will have to cross if you want to get the new business. And if you will help to get the new business, then you will grow. And if you are becoming the reason of fail in the audit or any regulatory inspection, customer inspection, or customer audit or client audit, so it is sure that the possibilities of the growth will be reduced, right? So today, as I told you, that every day we will be discussing minimum 5 learnings of regulatory compliances, or we will discuss the things from which you will learn at least 5 things. So 90 into 5, tell me that how many learnings you will collect with you by the end of this 90 days challenge. Yes, now let's come for the today's topic. Today different observations are there which I'm going to discuss with you. One observations I have given to the regulatory to the manufacturing company by the regulatory authorities, that they are not collecting the data of the product, complete data of the product. So that's why they are not preparing the APQR or annual product report. Okay, so to make the annual report APQR, you must have the data with you, or each and every data of the product. You must have all the QMS, change control, deviation, kappa. You must have stability data. You must have all the OS which is done for that product annually, and whatever QMS are there, every detail, and what deviations have happened, that detail, stability data, how many batches are manufactured, and there are many things. Means it, you can call it as the horoscope of that product. Means every data and detail must be there in the annual product review, right? So this is the observation. It was given by the regulatory authority which caused the company to get the 483s, right? Another observation I would love to discuss, that wherever investigations are performed, every investigation is not documented. Means whenever any non-compliance happen or deviation have happened, OS has happened, so all the things are not documented properly, and in fact there were no conclusion is written and no plan of action was written, so it caused the company to get the 483s, right? Every day we are discussing the warning letter, and today we are discussing the 483s also, and the whose response was given but it was not accepted, and it caused company to getting the warning letter. Another observation is that whatever equipments are there, they were not qualified properly, their calibration was not performed, preventive maintenance not performed. So this also caused getting the 483 and hence warning letter to the manufacturing company. And another observation is related to equipments is that their design was not appropriate or suitable for that product which was going to be manufactured. That product which was going to be manufactured, so design was not proper. So whenever you are buying any equipment, so make sure that you must make sure that whatever design is required, which is suitable for your product to manufacture the product, that must be already available with you. Then only you will have to purchase that equipment. So you will have to follow the proper qualification procedures for the equipment, right? So another observation is that there were no control on the labels of the drug product. So if there will be not any control on the label of the drug product, then there are high chances that it will be misused. It may be misused, and label reconciliation will not be there. So in future it may cause the serious observations for your product and for your company. Okay, so these were today's learning, and stay tuned with the 90 days challenge of learning with Blue Ocean Compliance. Okay, and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so that you will not miss any of the learnings. And in between I'm going to announce something new and magical thing with all of you, that it is going to change, it is going to bring a drastic change in your life. Okay, so wait, I'm going to announce those things soon, but now you learn every day and make the notes and make sure that those non-compliance should not be there on the site. Okay, with this, Dr. Rupali Paranspai signing out until we meet again. Bye.